Hey guys, it's Ramblin Bob here, and we have another promo code. We're working hard to try to help you guys save money on your next purchase for the solar power or battery stuff. This company is called WattCycle. We've been with them for a long time as affiliates, and we finally got a promo code to help you save 5% on your next purchase. So to show that it works here, let's go to I don't know, just anything. We'll throw. Let's see. Let's throw some more in the card here. Let's take this one and put it in the cart and make sure the promo code works, so that way it helps you guys save some bucks if you choose to use it. Let's see here. Okay, there you go. All right, it's in the cart. Now we're going to go to checkout. Well, we got 2,000 bucks of stuff in the cart. Holy crapzilla. All right, here's the gift card, or the promo card. It's RAMBLIN Bob, and then reviews. That's me. There you go. And then you hit apply, and there you go. Save $101. So that's 5%, guys. So on your next purchase, using this code, if you choose to, that helps us support the channel. That helps you save money. It's a win-win for everybody. Get out there, save some bucks, guys. See you next time. Bye.